Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. Start to think about winter prep, and you're going to need rock salt along with other ice melt and maybe a new snowblower, shovels, whatever it is. You can head over to Omni at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, serving the entire New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, tri-state area, and they are also Long Island's largest provider of rock salt. 631-756-1125. Best prices anywhere. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. Pretty quiet weekend, really. We are in between two systems on the satellite loop. We have a low that has developed well off the southeast coast of the United States. You can see the swirl that's out in the Atlantic. It's way to the east. And to the west, we have another system, another low that is in Texas, and that's producing some showers and thunderstorms there and in parts of the southern plains. But we're stuck in the middle in some really nice dry air that covers pretty much everybody from Maine down to the Carolinas. You can see, by the way, on these long nights, you wind up getting low clouds that develop in some areas. In this case, the mountains of western Virginia, western North Carolina. We saw some low clouds and fog during the overnight and early morning hours, but that's pretty much going to burn off. And in the meantime, here's what it looks on the radar this morning as of 8:30 Eastern Time. It is absolutely quiet from Maine down through Virginia. A little bit of shower activity off North Carolina and also off the north coast of Florida. Here's where it's a bit busier with showers and thunderstorms in parts of Arkansas down into Louisiana and eastern Oklahoma. That is going to be our next weather system for Monday, but fear not, because it's not really going to be doing very much. Rainfall. Take a look at the rainfall in the east over the next 7 days. It really isn't all that much here. We are dry up and down the seaboard. West of the Appalachians tomorrow, we're seeing areas of a quarter to maybe as much as a half inch or more. Then on Monday, we're talking literally here of about maybe a tenth of an inch, 15 hundredths of an inch or less. From southeastern New England down into the mid-Atlantic states. Picks up a little bit in western Virginia, western North Carolina, but not much. Some leftover precip into early Tuesday. This is Tuesday into Wednesday, Wednesday into Thursday, Thursday into Friday. Dry for the most part, and even into Friday into next Saturday. It looks very, very dry. And for you snow lovers out there, the only place where I could find anything, this is the probability of at least 2 inches. And we're talking about some areas up in northwestern Washington state and just touching the Idaho border of Idaho and Canada. So winter weather lovers aren't going to get much over the next several days. So it's really all about the high. We'll have sunshine today, temperatures topping out generally back up, say, upper 50s and low 60s. I think we should be into the 60s for Sunday, and Sunday should be dry all day. Now, Monday, Halloween. I'm going to throw in the chance that there could be a shower or two running around, but if you look at the GFS and some of the other models, it's a big snooze fest here with this next low that comes out of the Gulf states. It just basically weakens as it moves northeastward, and the coastal low offshore is just going to meander there and not even be an issue. So we'll maybe throw in the chance for a shower late Monday. Monday night into Tuesday. I think the vast majority of folks in eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England could certainly wind up being dry. There might be some lingering showers around on Tuesday. And then I think we'll see improving weather conditions for Wednesday and Thursday and probably into Friday. Flow starts to get a little onshore-ish at the end of the week, end of next week. We'll see if that means anything. But we may have to wait for the next important cold front, and that may not come here for quite a while. If you believe the models, the ridge in the east is going to hold all through the first week of November, so we may not see any rainfall of consequence here until maybe the middle of the week beginning Monday, November 7th. That's the first chance that we get of some kind of weather system moving through with any kind of reasonable rainfall. So it's a dry, quiet weather pattern, and we suggest that you enjoy it. Weather in 5 brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. The telephone number is 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. So for a change, I actually got Weather in 5 done in less than 5 minutes, counting the Omni breaks, of course. Joe and Joe Weather Show Sunday is usually at 11 a.m. To just give you a heads up, it will be instead at 7 p.m. on Sunday, so that you can get all your football in and then recover by watching the Joe and Joe Weather Show before Sunday night football starts. So we'll see you tomorrow night at 7 p.m.